Hello, my name is Jason Thompson. I'm an Air Force veteran, retired. I'm married with 3 kids. I'm originally from Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm living proof and a firm believer that when one door closes, another one will always open. Growing up in Memphis, I was the oldest of 2 children. I have 1 younger sister. We moved around quite a bit growing up. Once we settled down when I was in high school, I played sports for that school as much as I could. Played basketball and football for the most part. Both sports, I took an injury to my right knee, which caused my sports career to end. So that door was closed. After high school, I rehabilitated as much as I could so that I could join the military. That door opened. Joining the military, I joined the Air Force. To me, it was an obvious choice. I have a grandfather and 2 uncles that were part of the Air Force, so I didn't care to join any other branch of the military except the Air Force. When I joined the Air Force, I deployed as much as I could. See the world, see other people, see what their cultures were like. Unfortunately, it was in these deployments, in the multiple deployments, where I suffered another injury, one to my back, which caused me to have to be medically retired from the military. Military door and career shut. After the military, I thought I would be able to retire, enjoy retirement, sit at home. Unfortunately, that didn't quite work out as well as I thought it would. I think I drove my wife more crazy than I did enjoy it. So I decided I would just go back to school, finish my degree, and then try to use my degree to help me get a better job and start another career. I'm still in school, obviously, to finish my degree. But the job that I've got right now, it's a great job. I love doing it. I love helping people, motivating people to find better versions of themselves, to be better versions of themselves. And I want to use this degree that I'm earning from Troy University to help me with that. So my goal is to not only progress my career, but to use my knowledge and my experiences that I've gained and the knowledge and experience I've gained from the school with my degree to help other people at the same time. So we'll see how that happens. I have a pretty good feeling about it. Thank you.